I'm gonna put this out and start this video. But wait. What's good? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here another video for you guys on this nice and hot day. It's hot as fuck. And I'm in this car fucking hot as hell because guess what? I just hotboxed. And today's video will be about hotboxing and how to air out your car, because I know you be pulling up to work smelling like hella dope. If you sit in a hot box for a long period of time, the smell is gonna stick to your clothes. Like, so here is I'm just gonna tell you guys some tips on how to fucking air out your shit, you feel me? So alright, I got my whole book right here because I took notes on this shit. So the first thing I do, this is like a pre-freaking hot box. Not even pre, it's during, but I usually just crack the windows. When you crack in the windows, you have little air traveling out and it's like helping the car like not fill up with smoke and shit. So I crack the windows. When we're done, I usually sit here and roll down the windows and then let the smoke just leave the car. Cause that's what you gotta do. You're just sitting in a hot box, hella smoke. You just gotta let the freaking smoke leave the car. It be hella smoke too. When you look out the window, you be seeing all this smoke leave. So usually I just sit here, roll down all my windows and open my sunroof too and let it just air out. Then after like this shit takes time. If you have shit if you just really trying to hide the smell because you know you're not supposed to be smoking but you're just trying to be low about it, this is what you do. So usually I just sit here for like, I'm gonna say like 2 minutes with the windows rolled down, and then I will turn on the car and put on the AC and then just blast the AC and to like push the smoke out the car. But I don't know if it's just me doing too much or this shit really works. I don't know, because when I come back in my car, it don't smell like weed at all, and I got fabric, feel me? Alright, so after I let the air blow some for like, I don't know, another 2 minutes, I turn it off and I start driving, but I crack the windows. Like, they be halfway down on all fours. The sunroof is open sometimes I forget about it. So yeah, so I get back to the spot, feel me? And then this is when I start fucking cleaning the air. So first I pull out the freaking disinfectant. You can use any disinfectant. I use the Lysol disinfectant neutral air spray. So I use this. I actually got done hotboxing, so this is gonna be like a little tutorial too, feel me? So after that, I freaking spray that, and then if I'm really trying to hide the smell, then I'll grab my fabric spray. I got this from the Dollar Tree, feel me? It's some cheap fabric air freshener. I don't know, it works. So I be spraying on my seat, all in the back seat, all in the front seat, and on my freaking armrest shit. After that I just really go inside. Well, before I go inside, I grabbed my perfume. Today we have the Snow Morning by freaking Bath and Body Works. I usually have different I usually have different perfumes just in my car, feel me? So I just the last final touches, perfume to like neutralize the air, to know that it's a Kiera car, because you know my perfume smells like, oh, okay, feel me? But yeah, so after that I just go inside, and if it's not gonna rain the next day, I usually crack my windows just a little bit, and yeah, that's it really. Oh, and sometimes you just have to like minimize the mess that you make, because it's like, if you're making a mess with weed and ash, then of course the smell is going to travel behind it. So just try to stay clean and make sure you close your ashtray. I'm not gonna show you guys my ashtray because that's hot. But just put the top on it and then put it away. That's it. Don't leave it open because it's gonna stink. Especially if you got some cherries in there. Hopefully you guys know what a cherry is. But yeah, the key thing to this is make sure you air your car out. Now I'm about to go do the steps that I just mentioned. It's a whole process, I'm telling you, but it works. Learn from Key, you feel me? But yeah, that's the end of the video. I'm just gathering all my shit while I'm talking to you guys. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more smoker related videos, and I'll just see you in the next one.